Today, we will weld a semicircle. First, power on the system and select the welding process. Set the starting point. Click Joint Positioning. Move the arm to the arc starting position. Click Linear Positioning, Arc Start. Circular Positioning. Move the arm to the end point. Click Circular Positioning and Arc End. Finally, move the arm back to a safe position. Click the joint positioning, and then run the demonstration.